Hi guys, today I will be sharing with you my top 5 Korean drama or series Netflix recommendation regarding crimes, criminal justice, or forensics. This will be kinda personal for me because I wanna gatekeep it forever, but here we are. By the way, this is no particular order. Inuna ko sa list yung pinakaluma hanggang sa pinakabago, so let's go! Number 1 in the list is Partners for Justice Season 1 and 2 that was released last 2018. And hindi ako mag-spoil ng konti, pero for me, in terms of forensic, this is the best. Man, I really saw the passion in the series regarding solving the crimes, pointing out the criminal, and etc. For me, this is the best in terms of forensic topic. So if you are like me, na sobrang interested sa usapang forensics, so this is really for you. Number 2 in the list is He is Psychometric that was released last 2019. And for me, this was kinda heartbreaking. Parang yung pinaka-plot niya is punong-puno ng sadness, ng grief. Ayun, mag-ready na lang kayo siguro ng tissue per episode. And also, hindi ako prepared dun sa pinaka-ending. Kudos talaga dun sa producer, sa writer, sa lahat ng gumanap dito sa He Psychometric. Sobrang galing. And yung pinaka-ending niya talaga, grabe guys. Parang yung pain na naramdaman ko nung ending talaga, sobra, hindi ko ma-explain. So that's enough for that. Let's go to number 3. Number 3 in the list is The Good Detective Season 1 and Season 2 that was released last 2020 in the height of pandemic. So this series is very good. Not just good, very good. Para sa mga interested pumasok sa police or sa PNP, sa Philippine National Police, I highly recommend this for you. Parang for me, grabe, parang nakakaano maging detective, maging police. Ano ba talaga yung trabaho ng isang police? Hindi ko na masyado bibigyan ng explanation yan kasi baka ma-spoil kayo, pero sobrang the best tong The Good Detectives. Number 4 in the list is Memories that was released last 2020 as well. And yung ending nito is medyo na predict ko na siya ng konti. Tapos, per episode siguro, lagi akong nanggigigil ba, ganon. Naiinis si ate mo. Ganon, basta talagang nakakagigil. It's about yung memories, kaya nga Memories yung title. Is kayang makabasa, parang na-touch mo siya, ganon. Ayun yung special quality, special skill ng isang police na ito. And basta, talagang per episode, talagang makikrave ka na malaman kung ano yung susunod na mangyayari. So, thumbs up talaga sa Memories. And for the top 5 in this recommendation, part 1, that would be Law School that was released last 2021. I know some of you watched this already, but I want to include it in my recommendation pa rin. Kasi kitang-kita mo talaga yung passion ng mga students na makapasa dun sa bar. And also, syempre, sa law school pa rin mismo, makapasa mo dun para maipasa yung bar. Medyo naano lang ako dito sa law school. Parang may naantay akong something, pero hindi nangyayari. So, talagang naka-focus lang talaga sila dun sa goal na, ayun, about law school, maging successful, etc. So, baka ma-spoil pa kayo. Tapos yung ending ng law school, medyo na-predict ko na siya ng konti. Siguro mga episode 13 or ganun. And sobrang ang galing. Ang galing-galing. Yun na lang nasabi ko, no? So overall, yung top 5 na yon the best. Pero meron pa tayong part 2.